From the trading desk of dailyforex.com, this is Christopher Lewis looking at the upcoming October 31st session. I have the euro dollar in front of you, and you can see that we have in fact sold off during the day on Thursday and then found buyers at about 125 and a half to turn things back around and form a pretty nice looking hammer. Now there's a couple different ways you can look at this chart. You can look at this as a nice buying opportunity on the break of it, as we could go back to the 128-ish area. I would probably think 127 and a half is a little more likely. Or you can look at this as a market that's going to offer value in the US dollar on the bounce, and therefore you should be looking to sell weakness. Now, I prefer to do the selling of weakness, as I think this market still has quite a bit to go to the downside, although I do recognize a bounce could be coming today. That being said, another thing that I cannot help but notice is the bearish flag that has broken down, and depending on how tight you are with the flag, you could even draw something like that. Longer term chart still suggests lower numbers, and I believe that 125 will be tested again. I also believe it'll be broken. It's not going to happen today, at least it shouldn't, but that being the case, I am looking to sell rallies. I am looking to continue selling the euro, probably into spring of next year at this point, really. I think that the ECB is going to have to do pretty loose monetary policy, with the Federal Reserve looking more and more hawkish in relative terms, of course. So I am a seller. It's not until we get above 130 that I would even consider buying, and at that point in time, I would even consider the downtrend possibly broken, but I don't think there's a threat of that at the moment.